we will be playing Roblox today. So, we will be showcasing Build and Survive. So this is a game made by Big Games. And what we are going to be doing is how you play is you build and try to survive. Just wait for it to load.
Big Games? What? Okay, yeah, whatever. Yeah.
It will take a long time. Okay, well I guess we're not playing that anymore. I had a thing just in case that would fail. Build a boat for treasure. So what this game is about. So you will go over here. And what you will try to do is will you take your items and try to build a boat. I know I don't have much materials, but this is going to be my boat so far. I'm going to add a bench. I'm going to add one seat so you can sit while you ride. And then I have barriers. I have barriers just in case, because then it will hit blocks and it won't hit me. So this is going to be my boat, adding 5 balloons, maybe a jetpack, and yeah. And this thing. I will be getting started by getting out of build and pressing this. I will put my jetpack on in case I want to fly away. And my shield is if I need to protect. So far this is doing good. This game will take some patience if you really want to get to the end. Or you may buy a jetpack, which I have right now, and fly to the end if your boat doesn't make it. And I have balloons if I want to fly my boat away. And this is showcasing Build a Boat for Treasure. So far, we made it pretty far. And if my boat flips over, that's why I have the jetpack. And my shield. They all are money, but you do get to buy them. And it's not real money if you want them. So, we made that. So in every map, there is a chest, and you get to find those chests, and then you find chests, and you get blocks. So far, I found 5 chests. 1 in the beginning, 1 in the zone we're in. I actually found one. I even found one in the paint stage. And the Wild Western. So far we're in this, the hardest one I say. But actually it's not that hard. There's just red lasers trying to kill you, and yeah. So this is how the jetpack works. I'm gonna go on this and try to find the chest. And once I'm done, I'm gonna end the video and then I'm gonna end with the showcase of Build a Boat for Treasure. If you see the chest, please comment. It will really help me out. It could actually be anywhere, even on the thing. So next time, if you leave enough likes, I'll do a part 2 to this, and I will go on top this time to see if it's on top. So please leave a like if you want to see a part 2. It might be behind these, but I don't know. Last time I was playing with my brother, Kevin, and we were searching for it, and we went through this whole aisle, and we also went to that, and we haven't found it. So it has to be on top. So if you want a part 2, please leave a like. And that's my showcase on Build a Boat for Treasure. Make sure to subscribe and like if you want to do it. Bye.